Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Aditi C. Gowda, studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. My topic is meaning of solid waste management and factors affecting of solid waste management. So let's come to introduction part. What is solid waste management? It is unwanted and useless material. The waste can be either a solid, liquid or gaseous. Solid waste, it is also defined as a material which has negligible value to the producer and there is no direct consumption of the generated waste. It is generated due to various activities that can be rescheduled and commercial, agricultural, etc. Whatever the content or hazard potential is, solid waste must be managed systematically to ensure environmental best practices. So it is an essential services in any society. Before introducing the process, it starts with a discussion of the material being managed. Solid waste refers to the range of garbage materials arising from animals and human activities that are discarded as unwanted materials. So discarded, which is generated from industrial, residential and commercial activities that may handled in a variety of ways, such as landfills are typically classified as sanitary, municipal and industrial waste site. Waste can be categorized based on the material such as plastic, paper, glass, metal and organic waste that may also be based on hazard waste. Categories may also pertain to the origin of the waste, whether industrial, domestic, or demolition process. So let's come to the types of sources. These are the many types sources of solid waste. Municipal solid waste, street swiping, sewage treatment, plant waste, waste from schools and other institutions. Domestic waste, garbage, rubbish, paints, paper glass, old toys, old clothes, spoiled food, etc. Commercial waste from different stores and offices. Mining from coal mining, strip mining, etc. Agricultural waste, fertilizers and pesticide containers, organic waste, etc. Hospital waste, disposal surgeons, swabs, body fluids, bandages, etc. Industrial waste, solvents, resins, metals, plastics, rubber, leather, etc. And last we come to the e-waste. It is a types of waste like wires, circuits, mobile phones, etc. These are the types of sources which is included in a solid waste management. And there are three types of solid waste: household waste as municipal waste, industrial waste as hazardous waste, biomedical waste or hospital waste as infectious waste. So let's know one by one. Municipal solid waste. It is consists of household waste, construction and demolition debris, sanitization residue, waste from streets. With a rising urbanization and change in lifestyle and food habits, the amount of municipal solid waste that has been increasing rapidly and its composition changing. So let's come to the percentage of municipal solid waste. Wood 5.2 percentage, glasses 5.9 percentage, food waste 10.4 percentage, plastic 9.4 percentage, metals 7.7 percentage, yard waste 13.4 percentage, paperboard 38.1 percentage, others are 9.9 percentage. These are the characterization of municipal solid waste. So let's come to hazardous waste. Industrial and hospital waste, it is considered as hazardous as they may contain toxic substance. Hazardous waste may be highly toxic to humans, animals and plants. They are highly inflammable or explosive, corrosive. In the industrial sector, the major generators of hazardous waste are the metal, chemical, paper, pesticide, dye and rubber goods industries. Direct exposure to chemicals is hazardous waste. such as mercury and cyanide can be fatal. So next comes to hospital waste or biomedical waste. It means any waste which is generated during the diagnosis, treatment or immunization of human beings or animals or in research activities pertaining that in the production or testing of biomedical waste that rules in a year 1998. It may include waste like shark waste, pathological waste, chemical waste, gynotoxic waste, and also radioactive waste, etc. So these are certain factors that affect the management of solid waste management. These are per capita income and status, climate and percentage moisture, systematic growth of city, status of the municipality, resource available. These are the factors that affects the solid waste management. Effects of solid waste, health hazard. If solid waste are not collected and allowed to accumulate, they may create unsanitary conditions. This may lead to epidemic outbreaks. Many diseases like jaundice, plague, intestinal disease may spread and cause loss of human lives. In additional improper handling of the solid waste, a health hazard for the workers who came in direct contact with the waste. Next come to the environmental impact. If the solid waste are not treated properly, decomposition of a purification decay may take place. The organic solid waste during decomposition may generate intolerable odor. So these are 8 factors that affect the solid waste generation. Geographic location, season of the year, collection frequency, public attitude, legalization, use of kitchen waste grinders, characteristics of populace, lack of recycling and waste minimization. These are the factors that affect solid waste generations. So next come to the waste management concept. The 3 R's, reduce, reuse and recycle. This to be followed for waste management. So let's know one by one. Reduce, disposal goods. Paper plate, paper bowl, plastic spoon, roll of paper towels, paper napkin, durable goods, plastic plate, metal spoon, plastic drinking cup, dish towel, cloth napkins. Recovery of 1 ton paper can save 17 trees. So next comes to reuse. Instead of buying new containers from the market, use the ones that are in the house. Don't throw away the soft drink can or bottle cover. Cover them with a homemade paper or paint on them and use them as a pencil stand or small vases. So next we come to recycle. Use shopping bags made of cloth or jute which can be used over and over. It is a process of collecting and treating or disposing of solid material that is discarded because it has no use or it is harmful. It involves planning and legal functions to control of the generations. So let me conclude by saying human ways of life have placed pressure on the environment and have caused imbalance in the ecosystem by producing, consuming and wasting of natural resource. Most countries evidently have a major effects on the environment due to solid waste generation with economic development since the natural resources are used and waste and pollutions are produced. Therefore, the concern towards the management of solid waste as an integral part for sustainable development has increased. So, this study explored the importance of solid waste management for sustainable development with the concern of new development process in Sri Lanka. So, solid waste it is crucial for protecting the environment, public health, and promoting a sustainable development. Improper waste management leads to pollution, land degradation, and health risk. However, by implementing effective solid waste management practices, such as waste reduction, recycling, proper collections, and disposal methods, we can minimize pollution, conserve resource, and reduce our carbon footprints. Thank you for watching my video. Please do share, like, and subscribe for more videos.